Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to crochet double colored hexagon motif and join such motifs together in large piece of work. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. I choose yellow color of yarn, crochet the chain, make a chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, work into the ring. Make 17 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 17 double crochet. I'm about to complete this round. Now I'm working with another color of yarn. To complete this round, work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. At this point I join new color of yarn and pull a little bit. I don't cut off yellow color. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Then chain of 3 by pattern 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet into the third stitch. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. We skip 1, 2 and double crochet into the third stitch. 1, 2, 3 and double crochet into the third stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I complete this round. Make a chain of 3 and work a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round is done. Make a slip stitch into the chain space. Chain to bring up the yarn. Work into the chain space. Make half double crochet. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Make half double crochet and single crochet. The first petal is ready. Make single crochet into the next chain space, half double crochet and 3 double crochet into the same chain space, 2, 3. Make half double crochet and single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have done all 6 petals. Now I am working with yellow color of yarn. To complete this round, work a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. This is the back side of the work. Chain of 4 to bring up the yarn and chain of 2 by pattern. Make single crochet into the middle double crochet of these 3. chain of 2 and treble crochet into the single crochet of this petal. Then chain of 3, make treble crochet into the first single crochet of next petal. Then chain of 2, insert the hook into the middle stitch of this petal, make single crochet, chain of 2 and treble crochet into the single crochet of this petal. Continue chain of 2 and treble crochet into the single crochet of next petal. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. Make treble crochet into the single crochet of this petal, chain of 3, make a slip stitch into the fourth chain stitch in the beginning of this round, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make slip stitch. Round is done. Make a slip stitch into the next chain space, then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, make 3 double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, then chain of 3, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, 1, 2, make 3 double crochet into the next chain space, three double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochet into the next chain space, then chain of 3 and 2 double crochet into the same chain space. I have done 2 sides. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. This is the last round of my motif. Make chain of 3, make double crochet into the same chain space. I did double crochet twice. Now to complete this round, work with the slip stitch into the third chain stitch. My hexagon motif is ready. In the next part of this video tutorial, I will show you how to join such motifs together in large piece of work. Don't miss my video tutorials and follow us in social media. Thanks for watching.